Why I started newprobiotics.ph. Bale, sinimulan ko itong newprobiotics.ph dahil merong opportunity to address type 2 diabetes, mental health, cardiovascular diseases, and as well as cancer, through the colon. Since ang colon natin is connected to the pancreas, to the gut-pancreas axis. Ang colon din natin, connected siya sa brain, to the gut-brain axis. Same as sa heart, ang colon natin connected sa heart, to the gut-heart axis. And lastly, yung immune system natin, 70% ng immune system natin is nasa colon. So, merong opportunity to address cancer-related diseases. So, yun. And meron ng company sa US na nakapag-produce ng live Akkermansia. And hindi pa ito alam ng ating mga kababayan, So, kailangan nating ipaalam, i-educate. Ang isa sa mga core belief na newprobiotics.ph is patients can learn kung paano nag-work yung mga bagay, Patients can learn how things work. Especially when it comes to their own health. Patients can really learn how things work. Ang Akkermansia ay isang good bacteria sa colon that was found to be missing for patients with type 2 diabetes. Initially, nakukuha natin rin siya through mother's breast milk o yung gatas ng ina. So once na breastfeed tayo for 6 months up to 2 years, nagkakaroon tayo ng Akkermansia sa colon. Ngayon, paano siya nawawala? Once na nag-take ka ng antibiotics, once you take alcohol o di kaya you don't eat nutrients-dense foods kasi fibers, pagkain niya ng Akkermansia. So once na nawawala siya, dyan nagiging leaky yung ating colon, Maaari mag-leak yung mga toxins at bad bacteria sa ating bloodstream na nagda-damage ng pancreas. Yan yung nagkakos ng type 2 diabetes, brain-related diseases, heart-related diseases, and potentially cancer since ang colon natin, 70% ng immune system natin is nasa colon. May opportunity sa colon to address slow progression diseases. May opportunity to bring back Akkermansia if nawala ito through the years. And ang role ng newprobiotics.ph is to be the catalyst wherein Filipino can learn and experience kung bakit nga ba importante itong live Akkermansia na maibalik sa colon. And I hope that you can help me with this journey.